Altair SLC Hub provides comprehensive governance and deployment services for models and programs built in SAS, Python, R, and SQL. It provides a dynamic, scalable approach to workload management and access across multiple servers and systems. Run SAS, Python, R, and SQL programs, manage compute resources, monitor job progress, and integrate with existing scheduling systems. Improve performance, enhance security, and optimize resource utilization with SLC Hub's execution profiles. Pipelines automate synchronous and asynchronous task execution by orchestrating sequential, parallel, and conditional processes. SLC Hub enables granular access control with namespaces, roles, and permissions for scalable, dynamic workload management. Admins can manage user permissions and credentials across multiple programs for improved security, and assign resources to specific machines. Use SLC Hub's Microsoft Excel plugin to pull and manipulate data, and invoke programs directly from within Excel. Contact us to learn how Altair SLC Hub enables secure, governed analytics for the enterprise.